everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make Haitian style sardines. Starting off with my ingredients, I have a red bell pepper, half a red bell pepper, half a green bell pepper, and some habanero back there. Just a small, just a little bit. I didn't need that much. I'm showing you my white onion. I have in half. I have a whole because I believed I wanted to use the rest of my half and a little bit of the whole. So I have my sardines. The brand is Chicken of the Sea. They're really good. And I'm going to show you the second type of sardines that I got. This has a tomato base, but it's really good. I'm going to show you the type of oil that I'm using. I usually use extra organic virgin oil, but it's up to what you prefer. I've chopped up my ingredients, and then I have my oil that I added to the pan. Everything will be in the description box. Here I'm waiting for my oil to get hot, and I add my green and red bell peppers to the pan, as well as my habanero that I've chopped up. You want to make sure those fry together. You always want to fry those first. Whenever you're cooking, fry your bell peppers or cook your bell peppers first, and then you add your onion. Because bell peppers, they tend to cook a little bit longer. Here you see it's got some nice color to it, and I'm showing you my sardines. I've separated them from the water. It's important to do that. I'm going to show you that in a second. There it is. And I'm showing you not to throw it away. Keep them. I'm going to add some tomato paste. Even though the sardines come with a little tomato paste, it's good to add some because it gives it some color, some flavor. It makes your food look more beautiful, actually. And you just need about 1 to 2 spoonfuls. Then I'm going to add my other sardines with the tomato base. And I'm going to make sure that they fry well together. It takes a few minutes, not too long. And then I add the tomato water from the sardines along. I believe I use that other sardine water as well. It gives it a little bit more water. You don't want it dry. And then I ate it with some rice, some white rice, and it's so good. I already have a white rice video posted, so feel free to give that a look if you want to go ahead and, take some tips from them videos. Please don't be afraid to leave any comments, like the video, share, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm uploading again. All right, until next time.